Today we are going to understand function and then types of function. So first of all, if set A is not an empty set and set B is not an empty set, then A cross B if I will take, then function is a subset of A cross B, where function should not be also empty set because A and B are not empty sets. So A cross B is not an empty set. So function is the subset of A cross B, where x belongs to A. For every x belongs to A, there is a unique y belongs to B. Means for every x there is a image in B and that is y, and for every y there is a pre-image that is called x which is in A. So that is called a function. A is called a domain and B is called a codomain. If I will write like this, f A to B, then A is a domain, B is a codomain, and x is from set A and y belongs to B. Now what is 1-1 function? There are three types of function, that is 1-1, many-to-one, then onto and not onto. Okay, so 1-1 is if f(a) tends to B is a function where x1 and x2 belongs to A, means I have to take value of x from A, that is domain, and x1 is not equal to x2. If x1 is not equal to x2, if x1 is not equal to x2, then fx1 is not equal to fx2. Means for different value of x, there is a different value of y, then function is called 1-1. Okay? But what is a many-one function? What is a many-to-one function? In many-to-one function, f is A to B is a function, and for x1 and x2 belongs to A, means I have to select x1 and x2 from domain. x1 is not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. Answer is the same, just like a modulus function. If I will put 1 in modulus function, answer is 1, and if I will put -1, if I will take fx is equal to modulus x, I will put 1, answer is 1. I will put -1 in modulus, also answer is 1. x1 and x2 are different, but fx1 is same, 1 and 1. So that is called many-to-one function. Okay. 1-1 function is also known as an injective. 1-1 is also injective, and onto is known as surjective. What is onto? What is onto? If function f is A to B and there exists at least one x belongs to A corresponding to every y belongs to B, such that y is equal to fx, then f A to B is called onto function. Means for all values of B there is a pre-image in x. Okay, there is a, for all values of B there is a pre-image in A, that is called onto function. Otherwise, in short, if I say range of a function is equal to codomain of a function, that is called onto function. This is domain, this is codomain. But what is range? What is range means if function I will take A to B and f of A, y is equal to fx, then what is the value of y? Then set of the y is called range. Set of a y, that is called range. 1-1 and onto, only 1-1 injective, only onto surjective. If function is 1-1 and onto both, then it is called bijective. Okay. Now function is A to B is a 1-1 and onto, then it is called bijective. So another name means function, they say check function is bijective or not. At that time you have to check function is 1-1 and onto or not. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan. Now we are going to start exercise number 1.2. In that we have to check that function is 1 1 and onto is there or not. Okay, first of all they said function is from r star to r star. R star means set of non-zero numbers, because fx is equal to 1 upon x is given, so x value cannot be 0, otherwise function will be not defined. So they said f r to r, fx is equal to 1 upon x. Then I have to check function is 1 1 or not. So first of all what I am going to do, that f is r star to r star and fx is equal to 1 upon x. How to prove function 1 1 or not? That suppose I am taking x1 and x2 which belongs to r star, then first how to prove that suppose y1 is equal to y2, means answer are same. Answer are same means fx1 is equal to fx2. We are aware this is nothing but y is equal to fx. If I will put here x equal to 2, answer is 1 upon 2. That 1 upon 2 value is of what? That is y. So I am just saying answers are same. If answers are same, then value of x is same or not, that we have to check. y1 is equal to y2 means fx1 is equal to fx2. If fx1 is equal to fx2, then fx is equal to 1 upon x. So fx1 is equal to 1 upon x1 and fx2 is equal to 1 upon x2. Okay, if I will simplify this, then x1 is equal to x2. Then x1 is equal to x2. Means if value of x I am taking same, value of y will be same. So function is 1 1. So f is 1 1. Now we want to prove that function is onto or not. In that, for every y belongs to r star, there exists x is equal to 1 upon y. Means first of all I will just show you y is equal to fx is equal to 1 upon x. Means y is equal to 1 upon x, so x is equal to 1 upon y. That I have written. For every value of x there is a y, so for every value of y there is a x. Okay, so first I have written like that. So y is equal to fx is equal to 1 upon x, means y is equal to 1 upon x. Here subjective was y. Then if you want to prove onto, then make subjective another variable in which function is there. Means I have to make x subjective. So x is equal to 1 upon y. Now we are aware that y is equal to fx is equal to 1 upon x. What is the value of x? That is 1 upon y. So I will put x equal to 1 upon y, then this will become y. So here y is equal to y. Okay, y is equal to y. So f is onto. So f is onto. If y is equal to y has come, then function is onto. Now here in question it is domain was r star 2 and codomain was r star. But now if they say that domain is n, then we have to check function is onto or not onto. So first, again in that also I am just saying f function is from n to r star and fx is equal to 1 upon x, where for every x1 and x2, for every x1 and x2 belongs to r star, where y1 is equal to y2, so fx1 is equal to fx2, so 1 upon x1 is equal to 1 upon x2, so x1 is equal to x2. So function is 1 1. So here also if r to r is also there, function is 1 1. Here also for n to r, then function is 1 1. But for onto, if I will find out the range, fx is equal to 1 upon x, and I have to check n to r star. This is my domain and this is my codomain. If range of function is equal to codomain of function, then and only then function is onto. Now function is onto. Now I am going to check range. F of 1, answer is 1 upon 1. F of 2, 1 upon 2. F of 3, that is 1 upon 3. So dot. So range of function is equal to 1 1/2 1 upon 3 dot, which is not equal to r star, means range of function is not equal to codomain. So function is not onto. So function is not onto. Here again I am saying that r 1 1/2 1/3. In r plus mean everything is there, 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 4 5 is not in the range, so function is not onto. If range and codomain are same, then only then function is onto. Now you can understand exactly 1 1 function and onto function. Here z to z, first n to n was there. First n to n is there and fx is equal to x square. So here again I am writing that for x1 and x2, which is belongs to natural number, we are aware, suppose y1 is equal to y2, so fx1 is equal to fx2. So x1 square is equal to x2 square. Both side if I will take root, then x1 is equal to x2. This is a natural number, so I cannot take negative here. So f is 1 1 function. But if it is z to z, then I have to write x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. But here codomain is natural number, so negative number I cannot select, so it is 1 1 function. Now if I will find out range, fx is equal to x square. So f of 1, that is 1. F of 2, that is 4. F of 3, that is 9 dot 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 dot. So range of a function 1 4 9 dot dot dot. Here this is domain and this is codomain. So range of a function is not equal to codomain of function, because codomain is what? N. N is 1 2 3 dot 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 dot, and here range is only 1 4 9 dot dot dot. Means 2 which belongs to codomain is not, 2 does not belongs to range of a function. So function is not onto. So function is not onto. I am repeating, if range and codomain of a function are equal, then only then function is onto. Here I can write like that: for every x1 and x2 belongs to Z, means I have to take from domain. Suppose I am taking y1 is equal to y2, it means fx1 is equal to fx2. So that is x1 square is equal to x2. Now here x1 is equal to plus or minus x2, because root can be positive or negative. In previous example it was n to n, so only positive numbers are selected. Same way for this also I am going to write that it for x1 and x2 belongs to R. Suppose y1 is equal to y2, means fx1 is equal to fx2, means x1 square is equal to x2 square, means x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 is there, means function is not 1 1. For example, if I will put 1, if I will put answer is 4, and even if I will put minus 2, minus 2 square is also 4. So for 2 is also 4 and for minus 2 is also 4. So that this is not a 1 1 function. Same way here. So function is not 1 1. Here if I will say function fx is equal to x square, f of 3 is equal to 3 square is equal to 9, f of minus 3, that is minus 3 square, is equal to also 9, means for 3 also 9 and minus 3 is also 9. So function is not 1 1. Now for onto or not onto, that I want to check. Then you are aware range of a function fx is equal to x square. So f of 1 1, f of 2 4, f of 3 9. So range of a function, that is 1 4 9 dot 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 dot, which is not equal to Z. This is what? Codomain. And this is what? Range. So this function is not onto, means not surjective, means not surjective. Onto and surjective is the same. Same way here also. Fx is equal to x square. So I will put 1 1 2 4 dot 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 dot. Only positive numbers are there. Okay. For x belongs to R, x square is always greater than 0. So range of a function is equal to 0 to infinity, which is not equal to r. This is means range positive numbers જ આવશે, means x square, so only positive is there. But here I cannot write interval 0 to infinity because it is z. So 2.2, 2.4, 3.2 will not be there, so I have to write in such a way. So here function is not surjective. Okay. Now for this is a ceiling function and f is r to r. I want to directly prove that it is a many to one function, means it is not a one function. At that time what I am going to do, that f r to r is there and fx is equal to ceiling function. In that we are aware that if I will take 1.2, nearest integers are 1 and 2, so your answer is 1. F of suppose 1.3, I will take 1.3, nearest integer is 1 and 2, your answer is 1. Suppose f of 1.9, but 1 and 2, then smallest integer, that is 1. So this is not a 1 function. So f is not 1 means injective. Now here we are aware that for x belongs to r, ceiling function x belongs to z, because for negative numbers it will be negative. Never point will be there in the range. So here range of a function, that is z, which is not equal to r. This is your range and this is your codomain. So function is not onto, means surjective. Okay. Now for second example, that is fx is equal to modulus x. In that if I will take f r to r and fx is equal to modulus x. If you will give just example and you will show that if it is not a 1, that is also okay. And if you want to prove in such a way, it is also okay. But it is better if you want to prove it is not 1. For 1, you have to prove in that way. So f of -1, I will put 1, -1, so it is 1. And if 1, then 1. So -1 and 1 belongs to r, but means this is a many to one function, directly I can write. So f is not 1 function. Now for onto, now suppose if I am taking x belongs to r, but modulus x is always greater than or equal to 0. So our range of a function is equal to 0 to infinity, which is not equal to r. This is our range. And r, this what I am writing, that is codomain. So function is not onto. Now for this signum function, we are aware that f is like this. If I will take f of 1, means x is greater than 1, answer is 1. F of 2 is also x is greater than 0, so that is also 1. F of 3, that is also greater than 0, so that is 1. Means f is not a 1 1 function. F is not 1 1 function. For range, here now x belongs to R. Here range of a function is only -1, 0 and 1. So range of a function is not equal to codomain, that is R. This is range and this is codomain, which is not equal to R. So function is not on 2. Now 6 example just I have to show that is 1 1 or not. But here a is given, again I am writing, but we are aware f of 1 that is 4, f of 2 that is 5, and f of 3 that is 6. So for x1 x2 belongs to A, x1 does not equal to x2, even fx1 does not equal to fx2. x ની વેલ્યુ બી સેમ નથી અને y ની વેલ્યુ બી સેમ નથી. એટલે 1 માટે 4 છે તો 1 માટે 5 નથી, 2 માટે 5, 3 to 6. Then f is 1 1 function. Is 1 1 function. Mapping I will show you. Just I have to show that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 A B. 1 is connected to 5, 2 is connected to 5, 3 is connected to 6. Then this is 1 to 1 relation is there. So f is a 1 1 function.